Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a exhaust camera, GoPro camera, whatever. So for this you need a GoPro. I'm using the GoPro Hero 3, which is very outdated, but it does the job, I guess. I'm probably going to plan to buy a new one when I have the money. But at the moment I'm looking at buying a car. I'm looking to buy a car, so I'm saving up my money. And most of my money is tied up in crypto at the moment as well, so it's not really good. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. So yeah, so what you're gonna need for this is simple GoPro mount, which is a suction cup one. Mine's a bit messed up at the moment. Let's see if that's straightened out. The corner of this was broken. I think it's straightened out now. This corner here, can you see? It's a bit bent, but it still does the job. It's just been sat there. I forgot, I don't even know I had this mount. But yeah, you're gonna need this kind of mount. You can probably find one online. I'll try put a link in the description if I remember to. So all it is basically a suction cup with the mount for the GoPro. So that's the GoPro mount. You can also have like a angled GoPro mount where you can put it on here and then different angles, up to you. So yeah, and then I'll show you how to set it up. So you got two controls here. One is this where it goes up and down. I'll just show you that now. So you tighten that, so up and down like that. You can choose how you want it, like that. Just tighten that back up. Okay, and then here this controls this, which way you want it, and shit like that. So yeah, just oops, I'm gonna tighten that now. So yeah, okay, so first thing you want to do is, after you got this mount and your GoPro, you want to clean your surface of the car, and you want to clean the surface of this with a like a window cleaner or whatever, otherwise it won't stick as well. And you don't want to be driving along and your GoPro gets destroyed or you lose it because it falls off. You know what I mean? You want to make sure it's a sturdy connection. So that's probably why I'm using my Hero 3, because at the moment if it does get lost, there's no footage on it, and secondly it's not too expensive anymore to buy that. It's about 100 and something pound, whereas a GoPro Hero 9 is 400, the black edition. So if it does get lost, I guess I'll have to upgrade to the new one, or I might just buy the new one and buy an old one as well, just so I can do these exhaust cam videos for the next cars I get. So yeah, I'm looking at buying a BMW F30 or M3 or the 7 series, or even all 3 or all 2. I don't know, depends how my Binance does. So if my Binance does well, we're going to end up with a BMW 3 series or M3 or 7 series, or all 3 or 2. I don't know, we'll see. Just gotta wish, I guess. Yeah, okay guys, so this you wanna push. So I'll show you how you set up on the car. So you want it on a flat surface on the car, so you get it like that. Press it down, as you can see, very good. And then take it off, pull it like that. I'll show you on the car to set it up. Alright guys, I've cleaned up the area as you can see, and I've put the suction cup on. It's very simple, just put it on like I showed you, and there you go. Very good camera angle there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, goodbye.